Hi guys, this is Omar with Vertical Doors Inc. We just got done with the installation of Corvette C8. When you first get your car, close the door, check the gaps in the back, at the bottom, and in the front. Make sure that they're just like factory. Check your fender, make sure your fender is secure, especially around the front area. Once you're satisfied, open the door like normal and raise it up. From the inside, reach as far back as you can, lower the door, and close it like normal. To open the door, just open it until the door stops. Grab as far back as you can, raise the door up. That's how you use a Vertical Doors Inc. kit. For sales and installations, give us a call at 951-245-8669 or check us out at verticaldoors.com.